Good evening, guys, and welcome to the Steve Auto Direct channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2017 Chevy Trax. It's a pretty easy procedure. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box compartment right here. Right, you open it and you remove that I think it's like a dampener. You push it like this, that way, right, and it's off, and you squeeze both sides right here, right. You push this side, and you move this side. Yep, you take it out, and the cabin air filter is right there. And there is it. Oh, this one is dirty, very dirty. You take it out. Right. Sometimes those have dirt and debris in there. You have to use a blow gun and blow the inside of it. Right. And you put I don't think this one is that bad. This one isn't that bad. And you put the new one in. Yep. And that's it. And you close it. And you put this in place. Oh. Yep, and that's it. That's all there is to it, guys. It's all done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for the newest tip. Thank you. Bye bye.